Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to use the Loom Chrome extension easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Loom. Tap to open it. Now add to Chrome. Now Loom will install in your browser. Here you will see it will download in progress. Then click the Loom icon from the top right corner and sign in with your Google account. Here you will see I already signed in. Now click the Loom icon again. Whenever you screen record in your browser, just click on Loom again and it will instantly open browser. Here you will see full screen, no camera, no microphone, start recording or capture easily. So record your screen if you want. From there you can pause, play, restart, delete. You can also change your background. Here you will see templates. Click on effects. You will see the option effects. If your camera is enabled, you can just change your background with the help of colors, natures, and the pre-filled backgrounds. When finished, click stop recording. That's it. That's how to use Loom Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Chrome extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.